Welcome to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Keeping fit with Philomena and eating healthy. I am back to you today with a new one. I'm going to be doing a swallow with the plantain, and also I'll be doing a snack from it with the air fryer. A lot of us, we have an air fryer at home. We might not know that we can also get a snack with the air fryer with our plantain without no salt, no sugar added. Follow me as we go. Now I've learned to buy plantain in bulk, peel them and frozen them as well as I did with the yam. So when the season is over, I will always have some in the freezer to use for my plantain swallow or for my snack. Follow me as we go.
He has given me victory.
As you can see, the plantain is already peeled and cut into small pieces. I'm going to cook it. Follow me.
He has given me victory. All the days of my life I praise you. Everything that I have now you give to me, Baba.
As you can see, this is ready. I've already cut out the plantain for my snack, and I've already put some in the air fryer. No sugar, no salt added to it.
Lord, I say for your love I'm grateful. Yes, you love me plenty, you came to die for me. Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, I am that I am. Ooh.
As you can see, the plantain is already cooked. So let's get the plantain swallow.
There's no one else like you, Lion of Judah, you're the man.
God has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
God has given me victory.
God has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
Hallelujah. 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 Come and see what the Lord has done for me. He has taken away my sorrows and now I'm free.
This is the plantain swallow. It is ready. I did this with the Ninja blender. I did the same thing with pounded yam last week, and I'm doing the same thing today. You're eating, you know what you're eating. Yes, there's amala in the market, the powdered one. But due to the way the world is today, and we live in the Western world, we don't know what is added to the powder that we are eating. They call it amala plantain. Amala, yes, that's what they call it. Are you actually sure that it's plantain that is grounded in there? You are eating plantain, you know that you are eating plantain. It is ready, and here is my soup. And bon appetit to me. My snack is ready. I did this with the air fryer. I still have some in there. No sugar, no salt, no oil added to it. They said knowledge is power. You can never know it all. A lot of us have an air fryer at home. We might not know that we can do this with it. I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys today. If you have enjoyed my video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. I also have a Facebook page. Follow me on Facebook page as well. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a video. And also, give me a thumbs up if you have gained from my knowledge. I'll come back to you guys very soon. I'm going to enjoy my plantain swallow. Bye for now.